Bhaskara II and India's forgotten contributions to calculus. Newton and Leibniz gave us calculus, or did they? Centuries before them, Indian mathematicians had already laid the foundations of calculus, exploring differentiation, infinity, and even the rate of change. Meet Bhaskara II, the 12th century genius, whose groundbreaking work in mathematics predates modern calculus. Bhaskara II and the birth of differentiation. In his magnum opus, Siddhanta Shiromani, written in 1150 CE, Bhaskara II described the principles of what we now call differentiation. He examined how a changing quantity approaches zero, a concept that aligns with modern differential calculus. One of his key statements was, "A small change in a variable produces a small change in its function." This idea, found in his work on trigonometric functions, is strikingly similar to what we now call the derivative. Reference: Bhaskara II, Siddhanta Shiromani, chapter on Ganitadhyay, Mathematics, the Kerala school and the Taylor series before Taylor. But Bhaskara II wasn't alone. A few centuries later, the Kerala school of mathematics took his ideas further. Madhava of Sangamagrama, 14th century, developed infinite series expansions for sine, cosine, and tangent functions, concepts that later appeared in the work of James Gregory and Brooke Taylor in 17th century Europe. Madhava sine series formula, written centuries before Newton's binomial theorem, closely resembles the modern Taylor series expansion. This allowed Indian mathematicians to calculate trigonometric values with remarkable accuracy long before Europeans did. Reference: Madhava, Yukti Bhasa, translated by C.K. Raju, Computational Foundations of Mathematics. Infinity, limits, and modern mathematics. Bhaskara II also tackled the concept of infinity, calling it Ananta, a term still used in modern Indian mathematics. He wrote about how dividing by zero leads to an unattainable quantity, a precursor to the modern understanding of limits and asymptotes. Centuries later, these same principles became the bedrock of calculus. Reference: Bhaskara II, Bizganitak, section on division by zero. How this translates to modern science. Why does this matter today? The same infinite series that Madhava and Bhaskara explored are now used in physics equations, AI algorithms, and even space exploration calculations. From Newton's laws to deep learning models, Indian mathematical innovations continue to shape our world. So the next time someone credits calculus only to Newton and Leibniz, remind them that the roots run deeper, all the way back to ancient India. Like, share, and subscribe to Incredible India to uncover more hidden gems of Indian science and mathematics.